How's it? Right, let me show you here on my dinosaur bike, still in Knokke, but now I'm on what they call Rubensplein. That's one of the oldest restaurants, Rubens over there, and these are what we call the Nosen. Which is the nose, a statue over there, and this is like this whole square, and then you have another statue over there of another nose. They're not the prettiest things, but nonetheless. But one of Belgium's favorite pastime for kids is all these little go-karts. So you can rent these go-karts and cruise around on the dike and on the square. Kids still love it. It's very old-fashioned. I grew up doing that, but 100 years later, people still do it. Yeah, this is a Rubensplein in Knokke with the two noses.